Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming model and Android version, because settings paths change across Color OS. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and backup accessibility settings to Oppo Cloud or a local file. Next, go straight into Settings, open Accessibility, and locate Talkback or the Accessibility shortcut. You need to reach the Talkback toggle. If Talkback has locked input, prepare USB-C OTG keyboard or use Volume Key shortcut to regain control before changing options. You now focus on fixing the internal settings. Toggle Talkback off and on to reset its state. If touch is unresponsive, use the volume up plus volume down shortcut or an external keyboard. Once accessible, open Talkback settings and adjust speech rate, verbosity, gestures, and keyboard options to match how you use the phone. If behavior is still wrong, use the Reset Talkback Settings option or clear app data from app's right arrow Talkback. This restores defaults without erasing other data. You finish by rebooting the device to apply changes and then test spoken feedback, navigation gestures, and any shortcuts. Make sure Color OS and Talkback-related Play services are up to date because incompatibilities cause failures. If problems persist, reinstall updates or uninstall Talkback updates to roll back. Only consider a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure you've backed up first. If nothing helps, contact Oppo support and provide model, Color OS version, and steps you already tried.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.